Since Nissan does not formally manufacture a complete motorhome model under its own name, the term 2026 Nissan Motorhome probably refers to a third-party conversion of one of Nissan's automobiles, most likely the NV350 Caravan or possibly a smaller model like the Nissan NV200, if the focus is on small electric campervans. Therefore, the body shop or modifier performing the conversion and the Nissan car they are utilizing will have a significant impact on the outside of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome. We can provide you with a broad understanding of typical external factors and potential developments, though. Typical external features of a Nissan Motorhome conversion based on an NV350 will keep the unique boxy van design of the NV350, which optimizes internal space. To improve vistas and natural light, install side and back windows. There are two types of these windows: sliding and fixed. Install vents on your roof to allow air to circulate. For more sleeping space above, some adaptations could install a pop-up roof or use the high roof version of the NV350. For convenient access to the inside, keep the NV350's folding side doors in place. Windows may be added to the sliding doors in certain adaptations. One trunk door or two rear doors, the NV350 model being utilized, determines this. A rear ladder is optional. To get access to the back baggage rack or top, installing an awning over the car's side to provide shade outside. Rooftop rack for transporting extra things like bikes, storage bins, and surfboards. Adding solar panels to the roof in order to recharge more batteries. For a more customized appearance, some modifications could include graphics or livery. The outside of small electric van-based adaptations, such as the NV200, will probably be simpler with a focus on economy and aerodynamics. Important elements will include the installation of windows, roof vents, and even a pop-up roof. Depending on the facilities and design provided by the conversion firm, the interior of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome may differ significantly. We can, however, provide you with a broad overview of typical interior design features and potential conversion trends for 2026. We could see more creative layouts that make the most of available space with increasingly sophisticated folding, sliding, and modular components as campervan design advances. Better mattresses and easier-to-use bed systems, maybe incorporating hydraulic or electronic mechanics, making better use of the area beneath the bed for storage. Kitchens may be made to blend in more with the interior by utilizing materials that are easier to clean and more resilient. More energy-efficient compressor refrigerators and portable induction hobs could become commonplace. More ergonomic dining/workspaces with maybe built-in swivel seats at the front and more ergonomically constructed folding or sliding tables. Strong, portable modular storage solutions that make use of the whole area, including the walls and ceilings. Composting dry toilets and more water-efficient shower systems are examples of more efficient bathroom design, if space allowed. Integration of more intelligent power management systems with touchscreen or smartphone app control, bigger lithium-ion batteries, stronger inverters, and more effective solar panels. More precise water level monitoring devices and larger capacity clean and dirty water tanks. Improved insulation for windows, temperature-controlled roof vents, and mood-adaptable LED lighting systems. More sophisticated insulating materials to reduce noise and provide comfort in a range of weather situations. Voice control for some features, connected infotainment systems with navigation and camping applications, and potential interaction with smart home systems. In the event that the electric NV200 serves as the basis, the inside will probably prioritize energy economy and compactness, using cutting-edge electrical technologies to accommodate camping equipment without substantially depleting the primary battery. The Nissan base car utilized for the modification will have a significant impact on the engine used.